Operations Group. The airplane is a C-130. It is an H model. Call sign, 75. Safety pilot today, Colonel Darren Hamilton, known as call sign Ham and Cheese. Colonel Hamilton, Colonel Hamilton has been honorably serving as a member of the Lieutenant Colonel Steve Shilladay, call sign Cage Fighter. Serving member of the 179th program for 25 years. Currently the 179th.
I don't know. Last I checked,
okay, now flight engineer. Here,
You can shoot Waukegan if you can.
Sergeant,
Batteries are charged.
serving 179 for 9 years. Crew chief in the 179th Maintenance Group, deployed 3 times in contingency operations around the world. Technical Sergeant Majors is from Newark, Ohio.
Very well, onto the runway.
So here's a great design. Many reasons. It's got a turboprop combination. It is a jet engine that through a reduction gear turns the did it. He did it no less than 27 different times. Not only takeoff, but also landing. Then you get a shot of the airplane flying directly overhead. Sons and daughters of He did that unassisted by Jake and unassisted by arresting cables 27 different times. Now, where do you hear where you heard that name, James Platt? Well, back in the days here at Cleveland, at 7 feet, we had all kinds of room. Folks, that's not much, but you're trying to squeeze on the deck of an aircraft carrier. You can read about that, it's pretty cool stuff. They decided not to use the C-130 after those trials. They used other airplanes that were perhaps a little more safer, but he did it, and it's in the record books and nobody can deny that. Here's one of the features of the aircraft, getting into very short, unimproved runway. Out in hostile areas, touchdown, the aircraft go into 94 degrees of pitch to reverse. You have maximum anti-skid braking. You have zip fire that absorb the weight of the aircraft over a greater period. You don't have the taxiway to turn around. Your hostile runway is too narrow to turn around, so you merely shift into reverse and back the airplane up. You'll watch the loading ramp at the back of the airplane come down. There is an observer back there to be able to tell the pilots in a hostile environment about any obstruction. The pilot has a tiller or steering wheel by his left knee, and he uses that as he's backing up, keeping the runway center line right under the main gear or the nose gear tire, I should say, for making minor adjustments to stay on the runway. Now, because you may be surrounded by hostile forces, the airplane backs up, maybe into a camouflage area in the jungle. They unload what they have to unload with all of the engines running. They load what they have to load up. It could be troops, it could be paratroopers, it could be wounded individuals, it could be a howitzer, it could be a jeep, it could be supplies, it could be food, it could be ammunition being offloaded or unloaded. And then as quickly as that is done and it is secured, you're back off and out of hostile way. There's a great photo opportunity with the American flag.
Great job. All the way again with the left turn off and back into parking. I'll see you later. Go 75 down to the end Alpha departing.
From Mansfield, Ohio. Direction 179 from Mansfield, Ohio. Give them a big wave if you will. Protecting us day in and day out. Highly skilled crew. Thank you to the group from Mansfield. Thank you for demoing the C-130 for us.